Gavin at Audio Boffins, and today we are with this E-Series BMW. What we're going to be fitting is the Vibe Powerbox 65.4. Now this is going to be with the Audio Boffins modified harness, which actually gives the underseat woofers a direct feed, left and right, and then the front doors are separated with a high pass filter. These are a fantastic upgrade that we offer, in fact only we offer in the UK at the moment. And the principle behind this is so that the car is going to have more pronounced bass and a louder front end without needing to amplify the rear. These do come in basic kits as well, which allows the front and rears to be amplified. But what I find is that the front doors tend to clip out and bottom out, backplate, whatever you want to call it, when you are running the higher powered systems with a bit more bass in the signal. So this method will give a nice clean, clear signal and of course make it sound very good but look completely stock. Later on there'll be photos and things added to this, and of course you'll be able to watch those towards the end of the video. But for now, ciao, and we'll see you later. So, got the radio out and we've got the underseat woofer out on the passenger side. Now some of the BMW speakers are actually bonded in and some are screwed in. Once you've taken your cover up, you'll be able to identify if it needs debonding. Got two 10mm bolts there, and pretty much it lifts out the car once you've done your speaker plug. I normally find a heat gun works really well, just heating around the edges and basically go around and break your seal. It is a bit of an arse to do, so you can kind of smash the speaker out in a kind of bod way, but I like to take them out properly because it avoids damaging the casing. And of course then we can refit the speaker once we've got this one out. So yeah, next steps to follow soon. Right, okay, so now we've got the original pancake woofer out. Got a new one there. As you can see, a lot larger in diameter, and of course going to give a lot more pronounced bass. So this is now going to be fitted into here. I made a couple of pilot holes. It'll be glued and screwed down to give a permanent bonding to the casing, just like the original one. And that will be then fitted to the car, and they'll do the driver's side. Right, so we're all done and dusted, and it's all back together looking completely like it did when it come in, but with vast improvements to the sound. It sounds absolutely mint. The amplifier has had our custom loom fitted, which have gone down following the factory cables to the underseat subwoofers, which have been changed, of course, to the bigger, better Glow series. And then the amplifier itself is hidden up under the dash on this side to keep it away from hot air and basically overheating for those longer periods of playtime. The front doors powered left and right channels 1 and 2, and then the under seats 3 and 4. For what is essentially a budget upgrade, this is a phenomenal system. And for those of you who either want to buy the kit or want it installing, reach out to us, and obviously we can sort all that out for you. Many thanks for watching, and check us out at audioboffins.com. Ciao.